In this video, I will show you how you can enter into maintenance mode on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Device Care. Now, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will find the option for maintenance mode. Now just tap on maintenance mode, then tap on Turn On. If you want to create a log and restart your phone, you can select this option. Otherwise, you can just tap on Restart. Now just enter your lock screen PIN and select Continue. And after that, just wait for a couple of seconds and your Android phone will restart. And after that, it will enter into maintenance mode. Now, as you can see, the restart process has been completed and our Samsung phone has entered into maintenance mode. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.